Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey. So I welcome you all to my playlist that is leetcode. Here it is, this one, leetcode Vivek Pandey. Okay, so three videos I have uploaded. It means three problems, and today I'm going to upload. Today I'm going to solve one more question. So let's see. This is the fourth question. Yeah, here it is. So first we are going to see what exactly it is. So here it is 3264. Final array state after k multiplication operations. Okay. So let's see what's happening here. You are given an integer array, okay, and that is a num. Fine. Num is given. See here we can see this is num, and k is a integer single number and an integer multiplier. Okay, so here we have three things we have in this. Simultaneously will be explaining you also. Let me open notepad. Yeah, here. Yes, so what it is exactly saying is, let's understand first. First we'll read everything. So here we understood that three things are given: nums, integer k, and then integer multiplier. So here you need to perform k operations. Means how many, whatever the k is there, those many operations we need to perform. On what? On nums we need to perform, because num is a list. Yes, yeah. First we'll read and then we'll go with the explanation part. Operations, in each operations. Now, first point is find the minimum value. So whatever there here in this num, minimum value we need to find out. Okay, we need to find out the minimum value from the nums. If there are multiple occurrences of minimum values, if there are many values, so it is a minimum value, many minimum value, then we need to take a first occurrence. Again, select the one that appears first. Got it? Now that is the first step. So what is the first step is, we need to find out the minimum one. Now replace the selected minimum value of x with a x into multiplier. So whatever the minimum number is there, we need to replace it. Return the integer array denoting the final state of nums after performing all k operations. So after performing all the operations, we need to again return that. Yes. Now let's see how we are going to do that. So here it is a Jupyter notebook. Yeah. So here let me copy this. This is given here. Here it is my list, and then k value is given 5, and then multiplier is 2, I guess. It's 2 only. Yeah, it is 2. And we got this output. How we got this output? Let's try to understand on this. Now here, first thing what we have to do is, like I'm just explanation. Now first step 1. Yeah, what is the step 1? First we need to find out what is the minimum in this. So what is the minimum in this? Minimum. So find the minimum. Minimum is what? 1 is that minimum. And this 1 is at which index? Index is 1, right? At first index it is. And here the number is also 1. Minimum number is 1. Minimum number, I'm just taking. Minimum number is 1 and index is also 1. Fine. Now what we need to do is, we need to multiply that. So we understood, we got 1. So now 1, yes, minimum num into what we have to multiply with yum. So what is the value here? Minimum num is already 1. 1 into yum is how much? 2. So how much I got? 2. Now this 2, where I need to replace? I need to replace this at the position of 1. So it is at first index. So now the total value, the total updated value will be 2 will be as it is, and yeah, at first index what it is 1. So now we need to, what we need to update here? 2 I need to update. Again 3, 5, 6, same as it is. Now I got, this is my first number. This is first one time is done. Now again I need to do the same thing till how many times? Till 5 times. K is equal to 5, right? 5 times I need to do. So what is the next time is, again in this I need to find out the minimum. What is minimum in this? 2. But here we have multiple 2's. So we need to take a first occurrence. Means the index is at 0. So when the index is at 0, now what we need to do? We need to again multiply this number 2 into 2. Yes, same thing. We got how much? 4 we got. So now this 4 where we need to replace? At the 0th index. So now the updated value is first index only. It is 4 and then 2 and then 3, 5 and then 6. Fine. So this is second time. 2 time is done. Now again in this we need to find out the minimum. Minimum is what again? 2. 2 is minimum. Yes, 2 is minimum. Now when 2 is minimum, what is the index of this? Index is 1. When the index is 1, now what we need to do? Multiply 2 into, again the multiplier yum. So minimum number into yum. It will be how much? Again it is 4. Yes, we got 4. Now what we need to do? We need to replace. So updated value again. Yes, 4 comma, again here it is 4, 3, 5 and then 6. So this is which time it is? 3 time. Now again what is the minimum value? Minimum is 3. When minimum is 3 and it is index, which index it is? 0, 1, 2. Index is at 2. Fine. Now what we need to do? We need to multiply. So minimum into yum multiplier. How much I will get? 3 into 6. 3 into 2. It is 6. 3 into 2. It is 6. Now what is the updated value? Updated value is all same, but only one change. Yeah, the change is here. It will be 6. And this is 4th time. 4 time. Now what is the minimum value in this? Minimum is 4. Obviously there are many, so we need to take the first occurrence. So here first occurrence is what? It is at the 0th index. Index is 0. Yes. Now again what we need to do? We need to multiply min into what? Multiplier yum. So 4 into 2, it will be 8, right? So we need to replace like updated value, and the updated value is 8 4 6 5 and then 6. So this is total 5 times are completed. 5 time 5 time. So I guess you understood this, and let's see whether the answer is same or not. Here, hmm, see here, 8 4 6 5 6, 8 4 6 5 6, 8 4 6 5 6. Yes, exactly the same thing. So let's write the program for this, how we can execute this. That is important for us. Yeah. So let's, so what I will do is we'll go with k value like num num is equal to, what is the value we got here? This I'm just copying. Now num I got. After this, what I should get? My k and m. So k is equal to 5 and m is equal to 2, right? Multiply. Now what I need to do is I need to traverse. So for I in range, up to how many operations I need to perform? Till 5 operations. So in this range up to if I run 5 means 0 1 2 3 4 5. So it will take what? 0 1 2 3 4, that's it. So 1 2 3 4 5, 5 operations. Got it. Now for I in range, now what I need to do is I need to find out the minimum index. So now minimum index is what? How to find out the minimum index we need to find out. Now here we know this is a minimum, but how to find out the minimum index is like num dot index, and then here I need to find out the minimum of the min of num. So first I will find out the min of the number. So what is the min of number? It is 1. And what is the index of that number? It is obviously this 1. So that is done. Now what I need to do is I need to multiply the operations. So I need to replace, yeah. So whatever I'm multiplying, that it has to be replaced by this. So how we can replace is num, and here in this what I need to pass? Num of minimum index, and then we need to multiply it, equal to means multiplying that number we are multiplying in with what? With m. Fine. And finally I'm just printing print num, and let's see what is the output here. Yeah, so this is the code, guys. Yes, so I hope you understood this. Now let's same thing we'll do with this here. So here we have all this. Now the same thing we can copy paste this. This code. So yeah, this should be under the for loop, and even this should be also under the for loop. Yes. Now after this I'm just going with a return. What I'm trying to return is num. Well, here it is multiplier, multi multiplier, and then here nums, here also nums, and here also it is nums. So for I in range 5, 5 means what? K, right? So K time. So this is the code, and that is the testing part I'm not writing because you know already that testing part, how to test it. So K times and then nums, multiplier, everything is fine. So now let's run this one once. Yeah, it is accepted. And once I'm submitting this, yeah, so it is solved, guys. So that's it. Thank you, guys.